Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy snack recipe made with murmura, also known as puffed rice. This healthy snack can be enjoyed by the whole family. So let's get started with the recipe. For this recipe, I am using 3 cups of murmura, which is also known as puffed rice. Here I am using puffed rice made from mappila samba rice. You can see that there are some bran on the puffed rice, which makes it more fiber rich. Into my kadai, I am adding in 1.5 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is heated, I am adding in 3 tablespoon raw peanuts and I am lightly roasting the peanuts on low flame. Once the peanuts are lightly roasted, I am adding in 2 tablespoon chana dal and I am roasting the chana dal along with the peanuts. About a minute later, I am adding in 1 tablespoon sunflower seeds, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, and I am lightly roasting the seeds along with the nuts. And once the nuts and seeds are roasted, make a small space in the center. Add in half teaspoon jeera, half teaspoon mustard seeds, and allow the mustard seeds and jeera to crackle. Once the mustard seeds and jeera splutters, I am adding in 5 garlic lightly crushed, 2 whole red chilies which I have sliced into small pieces, a sprig of fresh curry leaves. I'm just tearing the curry leaves and adding in so that the flavors are released. Give it all a good mix. Remember, the flame is on the lowest. Next, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon black raisins and 1 tablespoon golden raisins. Stir well. The raisins will help to give a subtle sweetness to the murmura. Add in 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed, 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoeitida powder. Give it all a good mix so that the raw flavor of the masalas are diminished. Quickly add in 3 cups of murmura. Give it all a good mix. And once everything is nicely mixed and the murmura is crispy, then it's ready to transfer to a bowl. Allow this to cool down and it'll stay good for up to a week. So guys, do try this healthy snack and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.